Ballet with Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing an arm exercise, okay? We're going to be going through our low first, high fifth, and then we're going to open out into second, okay? It's going to be a build type of combination, so follow along. We're going to hold each one for 4 counts. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, fifth, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, second, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do 4. We're gonna do it all down in each position. 1, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, fifth, 2, 3, 4, second, 2, 3, 4. Now back to low, fifth, 2, 3, 4. Much love.